So we're gonna do a straight arm pull down. It's gonna be a 2-part movement. For the first part, I'm gonna be a little straighter up and down. You'll see me tuck down and back, shifting the shoulder down and back. And then I'm pulling the elbows here, trying to get back past my side there, right? So stretching the lat, tuck back, pull the elbows, in and flex, all right? You'll see me hit that for about 8 reps. Then I'll take a step back, I'll stretch out overhead, and I'm only gonna try to pull these down about halfway to really hit the upper lat. So I'm only full stretch, only pulling about halfway. Contract right to there, all right? So here we go from the top, a little straighter up, tuck back, elbows back, squeeze. Full stretch. Hard contract. Hard as we can every time. Get that Christmas tree to open up. You gotta squeeze. One more. Here we go. Step back, full stretch, halfway. Squeeze. Pull with the lat. Even from this position, I'm still able to lift my chest up a little bit. Killer first set. Last set coming up.